Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to remove payment method on DoorDash. Alright, let's begin. First, open the DoorDash app and make sure it is updated. So what you want to do is, you want to go all the way up, hit the top left and go to your profile. Now you can go to payment methods and you will be able to see all the available payment methods that you added to DoorDash. I haven't added anything as you can see, but if you have, they will be displayed on this page. If you go to credit cards, all the credit cards that you have added to your account will be displayed. In order to remove one of your cards, you just need to tap and hold the card and you'll be able to remove it. Then they're going to ask you for confirmation, and if you hit yes, your payment method will be removed from your account. Unfortunately, I can't show you it because I don't have a credit card added, but this is basically how you have to do it. So that's basically how you can remove payment method on DoorDash. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.